To learn about this chapter, first we must learn about what fusion is. So, what is fusion?
Well, fusion is the process or result of joining two or more things together to form a single entity.
There's such a large amount of products that come from fusion, solely depending on the things being fused together.
Be careful not to confuse fusion and fission. Fusion and fission are different types of reactions that release energy. In fission, an atom is split into two or more smaller, lighter atoms. Unlike fission, fusion occurs when two or more smaller atoms fuse together, creating a larger, heavier atom.
An example of fusion is hydrogen fusion used in the hydrogen fusion process. The sun and the stars in our universe use the hydrogen fusion process to heat themselves by fusing hydrogen together to form helium. To further explain, as smart chemistry students, we know that hydrogen has one proton and one electron. When two hydrogens fuse together, we get 1 plus 1, 2 protons, and 2 electrons, also known as helium.
So, to break it down,
One hydrogen fuses to another hydrogen and forms helium. From helium, we get energy and eventually heat.
So, this type of fusion not only creates a new product, but also creates energy and heat. Have you ever wondered why the sun is so hot? Well, it's because so many hydrogen atoms are fusing together inside of the sun.
A common nuclear fusion reaction occurs between nuclei of deuterium and tritium and leads to the production of a helium nucleus, a neutron, and energy.
In Chapter 4 of Disappearing Spoon, the author talks about the scientific paper B squared FH. This paper was published in 1957 and was written by Geoffrey Burbidge, Margaret Burbidge, William Fowler, and Fred Howell. In this paper, it explains theories, discoveries, and facts about the sun and stars. One of the most major points made in B squared FH was that the sun and stars heated themselves through the action known as the previously mentioned hydrogen fusion process.
So why would anyone care about fusion in the hydrogen fusion process? How does it affect us?
Well, here in New Egypt, we have many farms and open land.
And when the sun creates energy and heat while fusing together hydrogen atoms, it helps the crops and plants we have here grow. The sun's energy grows the vegetables and fruits, which benefit us. It gives us food and resources.
Plant the seed inside the earth.